Hello everyone. So we're in lockdown, can't really do all that much, but beauty of deliveries, this has turned up today. Now on my previous, or one of my previous videos, I've stated that I've had a bit of an accident with the old K40 laser. It's arcing slightly. Again, for those who missed it, this is what it looks like. But anyway, with it broken, what can you do? Buy a new one. And there's a lot out there, and I rely quite heavily on my guru, Mr. Elliot, to put me on the straight and narrow. And this is a Cloudray laser. Now, he will also tell you that I did not even measure the tube before I ordered it. There are a lot of selections to get, and what I would suggest is actually measure the tube that you've got. I was very lucky in the sense that, let me just put that there, that I actually ordered the correct one. I'll just grab the tube for now. So this is my old knackered tube. That's fine. So I don't know whether we can see it. All up here kind of went archy and sparky and round here. So yeah, so that's had it. So essentially you're going to be measuring from that end to that end. Not difficult. Take measure, you'll kind of work out. This one is a 720mm tube. So by all accounts, that's what I should have in this box. I'm hoping so, and I'm also hoping, because it's a glass tube, it's also intact. So let's find out. So this is essentially an unboxing video for a Cloudray laser tube. So let's see what we get. Now, given some of the review parts that I've been seeing, it does look like they package it quite well. So, and we're not wrong. So, obviously with glass tubes, they can be quite fragile to be broken. Move that. So that's layer one package in. And the layers of sellotape that are put around this, we do not know. Let's find the again. So at the moment I feel quite comfortable. The outer box, considering the journey that this package has made, if it's true based on UPS, it's had a better trip around the globe than the coronavirus. It's been everywhere. I did assume that this was an item that comes straight from the States, but by the looks of it, it came from China, went to, gotta get this right, it went from China to Korea, to the United States, to Germany, then back to the UK. Now that is bonkers in my mind, but anyway, let's find out. There's the point. But at the end of the day, it was ordered. And also one other thing too, and this I've got no affiliation with Cloudray at all, but I placed the order, and within few hours I got a response from a young lady who, I can't remember her name, who stated quite rightly that I needed to check whether there was any restrictions in terms of lockdown for the package coming, which I thought was quite good actually, because that kind of service I wouldn't have expected, if I'm honest. I would have expected to be shipped out, and if I wasn't around, then it'd be a problem. But here in the UK, we're quite happily moseying on by. So home deliveries are okay. There are distance restrictions, or social distancing it's called, to allow you to take deliveries. And again, it works. So obviously if that's going to be the new norm, then so be it, but we'll see. So fingers crossed. So we've got this, the tubular bubble wrap off. Hey presto. Now I also opted for, and I'll take this out, and again, that is nice. I don't normally get stunned by packaging, but this is a well defended tube, and fingers crossed everything else should be fine. So I mean, initial inspection, so let's get a bit of a close-up for you then, folks. So that all looks intact, all nice and clear. That's what I like. Nothing compared to the one that I've got. Gives you clear instructions of the electrodes, the positive and the negative, which is great. Oh, that's nice. Date of production. I mean, that is pretty much only a few days after I'd purchased it. Output 40 watts. Well, compared to the other tube, I won't faff around with it now, but the other tube, I think, whilst they again, this K40, they refer to it as a 40 watt output. That tube, in fact, I'll tell you what, let me just grab it a sec. And it's not as if I'm going to break it. He says. So as you can see, you can tell the quality difference of what you get of delivery. And so down here you can just make out, I don't know what that marks, agreement power, what is that, 39 watts or 31 watts? But either way, I mean, a lot of people state that these tubes are not what they're made up to be. That date was probably way before when I bought this, but either way, put that back in there for now. I'll come back to that later. Right, so sorry, we went back. So let's see. So we've got a nice covering for the outputs. Obviously, they've made sure that the end of the laser is covered nicely. That's a hell of a lot better attachment. I'm going to export that. There was a guy who kindly, and forgive me for this, there was someone who referenced how to attach the old tube with the wiring. I've got some chock blocks. I'm going to take his advice on that. It was a very good point. When I do the actual install of this tube, I'll build that in and say a thank you. So yeah, so a very nice, clean tube. Looking forward to it. So let's complete the old fully taken it out of the box. Hopefully I've actually captured everything else. It's going to be a bit of a nightmare, so I'll just make a cut down here, here, and here. Let's examine it in its glory. Too much cardboard. So there we go. So quite nice clarity of this side up, sort of obvious-ish. So that'll be fine. I think that's just a piece of tape that was hanging around, but yeah, that looks all intact for me. Quite happy. Really looking forward to getting that fired up. Inlet and outlets labelled. So I mean, I wouldn't say idiot proof, but it's a good way of making sure that you are going to get everything right. One thing I have, doing this very badly. This end here, this is obviously for your water outlet. I'm going to have to double check the size of the tubing that I've got I think the tubing needs to be enlarged, but I'll double check that, and I'll do that with the fitting video. So fingers crossed, that's going to be a nice little addition. Might as well give you a bit of other heads up of what else I've got on the plan. So because I want to make this as best as I can, I managed to get hold of this. This is a water cooling system for a PC that my son-in-law got lurking in a load of bags of bits. So I'm going to integrate that with the normal distilled water and a standard pump, and then I'll show you the kind of rig itself. And that's it. So by all means, if you found that useful, great, like and share. And if you want to then follow me for doing the rest of the actual fitting of this, laser alignment, etc, etc, I'm going to go through a way that I'm going to do it with this, and hopefully it's going to go correct. I've watched a lot of videos about this, and there's a lot of information out there for it, but there's a little nugget that I found with this K40, which, if right, will make the alignment of this very easy. So that's it for now. Thank you very much.